At Plan International Nepal, we believe in a world where everyone has the same rights and opportunities, regardless of who they are or where they come from. This is why our theme is Until We Are All Equal. In this video, let's hear from our team what Until We Are All Equal means to them.
For me, Until We Are All Equal means creating a workplace where everyone, regardless of their gender, ability, and background, have the opportunity to grow, contribute, and thrive. In people and culture, we strive to ensure that our policies and practices promotes inclusivity and fairness, so that every voice is heard and every talent is nurtured.
It means breaking down barriers that prevent girls from achieving their full potential. Thank you.
Until we all are equal is our guiding principle. We all always work for the equality for the most marginalized children, especially young girls.
Until we all are equal is amplifying the voices of marginalized and ensuring their voices are properly documented. So in the communication department, we ensure all the voices are heard, valued and respected. Therefore, we work with this marginalized community and also especially with the girls to record the documentation and have a proper narrative of their stories so their voices are heard properly.
For me, Until We Are All Equal means ensuring program participate in inclusive way in each project cycle.
Until we all are equal is our guiding principle. We design and implement program initiatives that tackles the root causes of inequalities, ensuring that every child, especially girls and most marginalized, has the opportunity to thrive and lead a fulfilling life.
Until we are all equal means ensuring that our logistics and supply chain are inclusive and accessible. We work tirelessly to make sure that resource and support reach even the most remote and disadvantaged areas, so everyone receive the help they need.
Until we are all equal भनेको चाहिँ एउटा स्ट्रङ कमिटमेन्ट हो। यसले चाहिँ के पनि रेप्लिकेट गरिरहेछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ कुनै पनि व्यक्ति लिङ्गको आधारमा, जातको आधारमा, वर्गको आधारमा, एबिलिटीको आधारमा अथवा सेक्सुअल ओरिएन्टेसन र अरू क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक्सको आधारमा चाहिँ उसलाई फरक गरिनु हुँदैन।
Equality means ensuring that the resources are allocated in the way that benefited to everyone, especially the most vulnerable. In finance, we are committed to transparency and fairness, ensuring that every project and initiatives is funded in equality in mind.
Until we are all equal. As a mall person in plan, we are dedicated to achieving equality by developing and implementing mall frameworks, standardized frameworks for mall activities, so that all of our team members follow this framework for unbiased evaluations. Furthermore, we try to make our accountability mechanism accessible to all our project participants and stakeholders.
For me, Until We All Are Equal means securing funding for everyone, despite of their background, economic status, age or pre-existing disparities. We work tirelessly with the national offices and donors to secure funding and to make most of the funds that we receive.
Until we are equal हाम्रो लागि एउटा रिमाइन्डर पनि हो। जबसम्म इक्वल हुँदैनौँ, जबसम्म इक्वालिटी हुँदैन, विभिन्न स्रोतदेखि लिएर हैन अवसरहरूमा चाहिँ जबसम्म समानता हुँदैन, तबसम्म समाजमा विभेद रहि नै रहन्छ। त्यसले चाहिँ आर्थिक रूपमा झन फाटो ल्याउँदै जाने गर्दछ। त्यो भएर पनि आर्थिक रूपमा सशक्त बनाएर समाजमा इक्वालिटी कायम गर्नका लागि महत्त्वपूर्ण छ।
Until we are equal भनेको चाहिँ हैन लैङ्गिक समानताको लागि हामी सबैजना मिलेर काम गर्नुपर्छ। यो एक्लैले गरेर चाहिँ सम्भव छैन। हामी सबैजना मिलेर गर्यौं भने चाहिँ यो सम्भव हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ।
In operations, until we are all equal means creating systems that are accessible and efficient for everyone, no matter where they are or who they are. We focus on making sure our services receive every community equitably, ensuring no one is left out.
Until all girls can go to school, can be safe and survive together, we won't stop until we are all equal.
We are committed to work tirelessly until we are all equal. Join us in the movement, get involved, or learn more about Plan International Nepal's work.